The County Exec Trek is an event held twice per year, once in the spring and once in the fall. And the goal is to encourage county employees to come out and get active. It enhances physical and social well-being, mental well-being, and it also gives the county executive an opportunity to interact with employees and to talk with them as well. So it's a really great event. People look forward to it every year, and we see great attendance.
The most important thing is, our families are first, so our health is important to ensure that we can maintain and provide for our families. So this is what we're trying to do. We're ensuring that we are providing the most efficient government, as well as ensuring that our county employees have a great place to live, work, and play.
So the County Exec Trek is one of many health promotion and healthy workforce opportunities that LiveWell offers for Fairfax County government employees, retirees, and also for family members for some events and programs as well. So this is one of many, especially this spring, but it's something that if any other organization in the community would like to start something similar, we are always happy to share ideas and to share our information with them so that other businesses could duplicate it for their own workforce.
Again, we will be at the South County Government Center doing it in September. And again here, so I'm just trying to go out and do as much as we can to ensure that our staff know that we appreciate all the hard work that they do. A team effort trying to promote a healthy environment for all.